In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enter eBay sale data on Freeagent. To get started, open Freeagent and make sure you are looking at the correct workspace for your accounts. Then navigate to the Banking tab. This is the area where Freeagent groups together cash flow activity, and where you can match incoming and outgoing transactions to the right invoices. Once you are on the Banking tab, you will want to select the cash flow option. Take a moment here to confirm you are viewing the cash flow screen, since the layout and options can differ depending on which banking view you choose. The cash flow view is the one that helps you identify transactions that need to be connected to your sales records. Next, locate the transaction in the list of invoices. As you scan the list, look for the specific entry that corresponds to your eBay sale. Depending on your settings, you may see dates, reference details, or amounts that help you identify the correct transaction. Matching the right line is important because it ensures the sale is categorized properly and is recorded against the correct invoice. When you have found the transaction you want, click it to open the details. This step matters because Freeagent uses the Transaction Details panel to let you set how the transaction should be treated in your accounts. If you click the correct item, you will see options that allow you to link it to your sales documents. Now set the type to Invoice Receipt. After selecting the type, click Edit. This part is about telling Freeagent that the money you received should be treated as a receipt against an invoice. Choosing the correct type helps keep your reporting accurate, especially when you later review sales and income. Once you click Edit, you will be able to select the relevant invoice from the drop-down menu that matches the eBay sale. Use the list to choose the invoice that corresponds to that specific eBay transaction. If you have multiple invoices around the same date, rely on the invoice number, customer details, or amount shown on screen to help you pick the right one. This matching step is the key action that ties the cash movement to your sales records. After you select the correct invoice, you are almost done. Take a second to confirm that the invoice displayed in the field matches the transaction you opened earlier. This quick check can prevent issues where a payment is linked to the wrong sale. Finally, click Explain Transaction to save. This saves your changes and confirms to Freeagent how it should interpret the transaction moving forward. Once you click Explain Transaction, you should see the transaction updated in the list, reflecting that it has been linked to the invoice receipt. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.